Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about weight loss and fat burning methods. When it comes to weight loss foods, one of the best is definitely grapefruit. Grapefruit is a weight loss superfood. Let's see why grapefruit is so good for slimming down. Why is grapefruit an effective weight loss food? Grapefruit is a great ingredient if you want to lose weight since it has a few calories and it's high in nutrients that boost weight loss. It will boost your metabolism. Also, it reduces the level of insulin. Insulin is a hormone that regulates the absorption of glucose, or sugar in your body. Extra insulin is stored as fat and that causes gaining weight. If you have a high level of insulin even after being on a diet and exercising, drinking grapefruit juice can help you. Besides, grapefruit is high in water, about 90%, and fruit high in water makes you drink more fluids which gives you energy and it boosts your metabolism. So, take advantage of this awesome fruit, lose weight, and feel great at the same time. Eat half a grapefruit with every meal or drink 250 milliliters of grapefruit juice. But, you need to cut out ingredients high in complex carbs: potato, celery, peas, corn, starchy vegetables, pasta, jelly, jam. Eat as many veggies as possible, and if you want to cook them you can use some butter, tomato, pepper, cucumber, carrot, onion, radish, broccoli, leek, spinach, beans, green salad. You can drink coffee or tea, too. Which grapefruit to choose? Red grapefruit is higher in some nutrients than white grapefruit, and that makes red grapefruit a better choice. Grapefruit and medicines. This is a very important part. Grapefruit can cause side effects when it's used with some drugs. Grapefruit juice and other products based on that fruit are often the cause of side effects that happen when grapefruit interacts with more than a dozen drugs, including drugs for regulating the level of cholesterol, reducing blood pressure, allergy drugs, antidepressants, painkillers, some antibiotics. If you take some medicines, consult your doctor before including grapefruit in your diet. Grapefruit contains compounds, including naringenin, which slow down the normal detox and metabolic processes in the gut and liver, and that reduces the body's ability to resolve and excrete certain drugs. Best grapefruit recipes for weight loss. Let's check what are the best recipes with grapefruit for weight loss. Red grapefruit and honey for weight loss. A fantastic drink, healthy, and great for losing weight. Ingredients: 1 red grapefruit, organic honey. How to prepare. Cut the grapefruit in half and use a spoon to carefully take out the pulp from the middle. Add the honey and mix it in a blender until you get a smooth drink. Drink a little of this healthy drink at least half an hour after eating and you will burn more than half the calories you intake during your meal. It's also good for reducing cholesterol and boosting metabolism. You will lose weight, and as a bonus, your skin will also look better. Grapefruit, lemon, and ginger. Lemon and grapefruit are a great combo for weight loss, and adding honey and ginger makes it even better. Take 2 ripe grapefruits, 3 lemons, a large piece of ginger, and a spoon of honey. Cut all the ingredients, mix them in a blender until you get the juice. Add honey and stir. Drink this and detox your body. If you want to burn fat, drink this before every meal. You can drink it a few times a day as an addition to a balanced diet. Grapefruit will speed up your metabolism and it will help you lose weight and look fit. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.